The new iPhones are here. I've had some early hands-on time, and here's everything you need to know. So we have 4 new iPhones. There's an iPhone 17, an iPhone 17 Pro, an iPhone 17 Pro Max, and an iPhone Air. It's not called the 17 Air, it's just called the iPhone Air. Let's break everything down. So first up, the iPhone 17. I mean, this looks a lot like the iPhone 16, but it has a new display. It's 6.3 inches, and finally, yes guys, finally we have ProMotion. So 120 Hz has now come to the base iPhone. It also has a 3000 nit outdoor peak brightness, and it's got a 7-layered anti-reflective coating, which is gonna reduce reflections by around 33%. It's also got Ceramic Shield 2 at the front, which is gonna make it around 3 times more scratch resistant. And it comes in 5 colors: a lavender, a sage, a mist blue, a white, as well as a black. Now, when it comes to the cameras, the biggest change is the new 18 megapixel Center Stage Camera. Now, this actually has a square sensor, so that means you can take both portrait and landscape images by holding the camera as you like. You can either have it like this or sideways, so you're not gonna have to turn your camera to take landscape images anymore. It's also got dual capture, so you'll be able to capture video from both the front-facing and rear-facing cameras at the same time. And it's powered by the A19 chip, which makes it around 20% faster compared to the iPhone 16. For the rear-facing cameras, we have 2 48 megapixel cameras. There's a 48 megapixel primary fusion camera, as well as a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera, which is much higher in resolution compared to what we had on the iPhone 16. It starts at 256 gigabytes at the same price, $799. So you are getting double the storage for that base model price. The iPhone 17 also has a much bigger battery, which is going to give you around 8 hours more playback for video compared to the iPhone 16. Now for the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the biggest change is the new design. Now this is an Aluminium Unibody, so there is no more titanium, but the Aluminium Unibody is supposed to make it lighter and keep it cool for better performance. There's a Ceramic Shield segment at the back to allow for MagSafe, and we have Ceramic Shield 2 at the front. There are 3 color options: Cosmic Orange, Deep Blue, and Silver. No black or gray, unfortunately. The orange is very striking, and if you do want everybody to know that you have a new iPhone, this is definitely the color to get. And the new design is growing on me. Let me know what you guys think. Now, if you're thinking of getting one of the new iPhones, you're going to want to protect your investment with a case and screen protector from our video sponsor, ESR. The ESR Cyber Tough magnetic case gives you the ultimate all-round protection, which exceeds military-grade standards by 7 times, giving you drop protection from up to 23 feet. My personal favorite thing about ESR cases is the stash stand, which is smartly integrated around the camera module, making it seamless while giving the cameras extra protection. And it also doesn't interfere with MagSafe like other cases with kickstands may do. And with magnets that are 2 times stronger, this case has a secure and reliable magnetic lock you can count on. For complete protection, you can also get the ESR Ultra Fit Armorite Pro Screen Protector, which has a simple 2-step application, is made with accessory glass by Corning, the manufacturer behind Apple's cover glass, and can withstand 10 times the impact absorption of generic protectors. Check out the link in the description to see all of the ESR iPhone 17 cases, and make sure you're protected as soon as you get your new iPhone. The displays stay relatively the same, 6.3 inches and 6.9 inches, but we now have 3000 nits peak brightness, and the Pro iPhones are now powered by the A19 Pro with a new vapor chamber, which is supposed to give you around 40% increased sustained performance over the iPhone 16 Pros. Both the iPhone 17 Pros do get the new 18 megapixel center stage camera, and they have triple 48 megapixel rear-facing cameras, which are all fusion. So we've got a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 48 megapixel primary camera, as well as a 48 megapixel telephoto camera. This is going to give you 4 times optical zoom instead of the 5, but it can go up to 8 times with optical quality, and it can be pushed all the way up to 40 times. Now, I did do a bit of a test with this, and you can see some of the results. For the extended zoom, we're really going to have to put it up against some of the competition, and of course we're going to be doing that SuperSaf style very soon, so be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon if you haven't already. We have bigger batteries for both the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 17 Pro Max, but the iPhone 17 Pro Max gets the best battery life on any iPhone ever, and that's up to around 39 hours of video playback. But that is for the eSIM version. For regions like the UK where you have a physical SIM slot, you're going to get a slightly smaller battery and 2 hours less video playback. Pricing starts at £1,100 or dollars for the Pro version, but you do get 256 as a base. And for the Pro Max, same price starting, which is around £1,200 or dollars. But with the Pro Max version, you can go all the way up to 2 terabytes. So if you're somebody who's recording lots of ProRes video and stuff, this is going to be amazing. I'm around 750 gigs, so maybe I'm going to need that version. And finally, the new one, the iPhone Air. This is the thinnest iPhone they've ever made, and it's just around 5.6 millimeters thin, and it weighs just 165 grams. Now, this one is made with titanium. So you've got grade 5 titanium with a ceramic shield back as well as a ceramic shield 2 front, 6.5-inch display, ProMotion, 3000 nits peak brightness. Comes in sky blue, a light gold, a cloud white, as well as a space black. And it is also powered by the A19 Pro chip, which should make it quite efficient. And it's also got the N1 chip as well as the C1X chip. So the N1 chip is going to mean that you've got Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, as well as 5G, and it's going to make all of that a lot more efficient. The N1 chip is also on the other iPhones, but the C1X is exclusive to the iPhone Air. It has an 18 megapixel center stage camera, and it has a single 48 megapixel rear-facing fusion camera. Now, I guess the key concern for everybody is going to be the battery life. How long is the battery life? Well, they are saying up to 27 hours, so that's around 3 hours less compared to what you're going to be getting on the iPhone 17. And you can get a MagSafe battery that will snap on to it if you want to increase that to up to 40 hours. The one key thing about the iPhone Air is that it is eSIM only, so that's globally across the world, eSIM only, and that's to keep it as slim as it is. The iPhone Air also only has a single bottom firing speaker, so no dual speakers because of its slim size. The price starts at around £1,000 or $1,000, and all iPhones will be available for pre-order from Friday the 12th of September, with delivery for the 19th. And those are the new iPhones. Some interesting updates, some big design changes as well. I'm going to be doing lots of coverage coming up, so be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. What do you guys think of the new iPhones? Drop me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then do smash that like button for me. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.